Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix floating keyboard problem in your Redmi A4 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. Friends, you can see here it is the floating keyboard. Here it is floating keyboard. If it is not moving or some other problem is coming, then how you can fix this floating keyboard problem? So first you have to open your settings. Here it is the settings. You have to tap on it, scroll down. Here it is apps. Click on system app settings and you will see all your apps here. Manage apps. Click on this and right here Gboard. Friends, you have to go to the settings, then you have to scroll down. Here it is additional settings. Go to language and inputs. Here it is manage keyboard. You have to first turn off this and turn on this again, and it will fix your floating keyboard problem. Then you have to go to the search, go to this Google, apply the password, and here it is search. You have to then again go to this and turn off and then turn on it. Then again you can see a keyboard is showing. Click on this and here it is floating keyboard, and this is how you can fix this problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.